believe young people are making a change in politics as we speak. This is the first year that I've seen so many young people, people of color, women running for office and are being really eager about the political system and asking more questions and getting more involved and holding their colleagues accountable as well. And I do also see constituents holding politicians more accountable as well, and that's a great start in the right direction. I'm the Deputy Secretary of Intergovernmental Affairs on behalf of the Speaker's office, Speaker Carl E. Heastie, in the Assembly. I love the fact that I get to just connect with other people, connect people to state agencies, escalate certain unemployment issues, for instance, or even educate Assembly members on post-pandemic recovery programs. I was always interested in being involved in my community from the get-go, ever since I was really, really young, to be honest. I knew I wanted to study law and society because it was an intersection between law, psychology, and sociology, and those are all things that interest me. The opportunities that were at Sage College of Albany at that time were in alignment with what I was doing, because I then applied for the Excelsior Service Fellowship, which is an appointee position on behalf of the governor's office, and that gave me great experience to work in the executive chamber and also at the New York State Department of Health. So that really spurred my growth into the political atmosphere. But even prior to that, I actually also interned with the Assembly and was able to work on both sides of the aisle, and that was a really great experience as well. So my education here, in addition to my experience with the internship and then the fellowship, really set me up in my career to continue exploring politics, policy making, and so on. I really love that HEOP goes above and beyond when it comes to offering tutoring services. Their advisors make sure that they touch base one-on-one with any HEOP student, which is great because sometimes when you're a freshman, you kind of need an accountability partner. So the HEOP advisors are the people who hold you accountable to make sure that you're on the path that you need to be. In addition to that, HEOP also works closely with career services as well. And in my time, I found it to be a great resource to maneuver into the workforce. Honestly, the relationships that I have developed here have been monumental in my life. There's a great mentorship aspect that I still get to retain throughout the years, and I really appreciate that. I just love the interpersonal relationships that I have with my professors, my advisor. Still to this day, even having graduated in 2014, I'm still able to get in touch with my professors with anything. And I really love the connectedness